Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera, driver attention alert system, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, driver, knee. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.